Let's take a look at how to use the Blackboard send message interface from the web. I'll start by entering a subject. For this example, I'll use snow closure. Next, I'll select recipients by using the searchable field. I'll select all parents in my district. I'll then decide when I want the message to send. Next, I'll compose the content for the message. I want to start by following the large text instructions. Click an icon to get started. I'll start with the icon in the lower left corner that has a T on it. That stands for template. Once clicked, a white messaging box appears, and this is where I'll enter my message. The template allows pictures to be added to the messages. To do this, click the camera icon in the bottom left corner of the window and select an image from the computer. When it's loaded, a thumbnail of the images will appear. Now that I have the template created, I can work my way to the right and select the different modes in which I want to send our message. For instance, I'll start by recording a phone message. It should be noted I don't have to use the template. I could just come in and select phone and record my message. Notice the icons for the different modes are grayed out when inactive. By selecting any of the icons, their colors appear and they are then activated. This also triggers a change in the messaging window. The window color will reflect the mode selected. My content automatically pastes from the template into this window so I can use it as a script. There are multiple options for recording a message. I'll stick with call me to record. Then I type in my 10-digit phone number and click call me to record. I simply follow the operator's prompts, and when the message is saved, the screen will display a play button for me to listen to the recording. Now I'll move to the email icon. Again, the template pastes the content already. In email, there are additional formatting options by clicking the More on the toolbar. Any changes made outside of the template will be unique to the mode being edited. For text messages, remember there's a 160 character limit, so content will likely need to be shortened. The next icon is for sending push notifications to the district mobile app. Unique to push notifications is the ability to send public posts, which is the default, or I can send my post to recipients only. To do this, I select the recipients only box. Only those selected in the recipients field will receive the message. Otherwise, it is a public posting that anyone with the app can view. Facebook and Twitter have two similarities. First, only one image can be posted, and second, messages can post to multiple accounts. Note that Twitter also has a character limitation. Knowing that, I can easily copy the text from another mode I've already shortened. A tweet is similar in length to a text message, so it makes sense for me to copy that. To do this, click the copy icon in the lower right of the messaging window and select which mode to copy the content from. And the last mode is posting to an RSS feed. There are no image or character restrictions with this. To deactivate a mode, click the X in the top right of each colored banner and the icon grays out. When all changes have been made and the message is ready to deliver, then add languages. This will allow messages to automatically be translated. To do this, click Add Languages at the left, check the language boxes the message is to go out in, and then click Language Names to view and/or edit the translation. Lastly, if this is an emergency message, click the emergency box at the left. A confirmation pop-up will appear to clarify what will happen. This message will go out immediately, it will ignore the system blackout times, and it's going to all recipient numbers in the system. To confirm, click OK. The multimodal message in various languages is now ready to send.